Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back to Speak English Flow, the place where your English gets better every single day, one conversation at a time. I'm Emma.
And I'm Mohin. Hello, everyone. Welcome back.
Mohin, how are you feeling today? Be honest.
Honestly, Emma, today I feel a little small. You know that feeling? You hear someone speak English so fast, so perfect, and you think, why is my English so bad?
Oh, Mohin, I know that feeling. I think every English learner in the world knows that feeling.
You look at someone else, their English is so smooth, so easy, and you think, I will never sound like that.
But today we are going to talk about something very important, something I really want you to hear.
Your English is better than you think.
Yes, your English is better than you think. Stay with us. This episode, I promise this one matters. But first, one small favor from us.
If you are new here, welcome. Please subscribe to Speak English Flow.
New episodes regularly. Easy English, real conversations, just like this.
And if this episode helps you, share it with one friend learning English.
Just one friend.
One friend. Okay, are you ready?
Let's go. Mohin, let me ask you something. When did you last compare your English to someone else?
Today, this morning, I watched a video, a person speaking English, so natural, so fast, no pauses. And I thought, I pause all the time. I make mistakes all the time. My English is not good.
Comparing. You were comparing.
Yes, comparing. And it felt bad.
And this is the problem. When we compare, we always feel bad. Always.
Always? Why?
Because you are comparing your beginning to someone else's middle or their end.
Oh, wow. Say that again, Emma.
You are comparing your beginning to someone else's middle. Maybe they studied for 5 years. Maybe they lived in an English country. You don't know their story.
I never thought about that. I only see the result. I don't see the journey.
Exactly. And today, we have 4 tools to help you stop comparing and start believing in your English.
4 tools. I love that. Let's go.
Okay, tool 1. And this one is simple, but very powerful. Are you ready?
Ready.
Look back.
Look back. What does that mean?
Don't compare yourself to other people. Compare yourself to your past self.
Oh, my past self.
Yes, think about this, Mohin. 1 year ago, could you have this conversation right now in English?
1 year ago? No way. I was very scared. I could only say hello, thank you, how are you?
And now?
Now I'm talking, like really talking, in English every week on YouTube. That's actually amazing when I think about it.
That is amazing. You grew, you improved, but you forget this because you are always looking sideways at other people.
Sideways. Yes, I look sideways too much.
Look back. See how far you came. That is your real progress.
Look back, not sideways. I like that. I will remember that.
Tool 1, look back, not sideways. Compare yourself to your past self, not to other people. Okay, tool 2. And this one, Mohin, I think you need to hear this.
Okay, I'm listening.
Mistakes are not your enemies. Mistakes are your teachers.
Mistakes are teachers?
Teachers, yes. When you make a mistake in English, what do you usually feel?
Embarrassed, ashamed, like I want to hide, like, oh no, everyone noticed.
I understand, but here's the truth. Babies make thousands of mistakes before they speak well. Thousands.
Thousands.
And we never say, oh, this baby is bad at talking. We say, this baby is learning.
That's true. We say, look, the baby is trying. How cute.
You are also learning. You are also trying. The only difference is no one calls you cute.
That is a little sad, Emma.
A little, but the point is this. Every mistake you make in English is practice. It means your brain is working. It means you are trying. Trying is good.
Trying is good. So my mistakes mean I am learning.
Exactly. Mistakes mean you are learning. Say it, Mohin.
Mistakes mean I am learning.
Again.
Mistakes mean I am learning. Okay, I believe that. I think. I want to believe that.
That's enough for now. Tool 2. Mistakes are not your enemies. They are your teachers. Tool 3. This one is about something we call small wins.
Small wins. What is a small win?
A small win is a small moment when your English worked, when you understood something, when you said something correctly, when you felt, oh, I did it.
Oh, I know that feeling. Last week, someone asked me for directions in English on the street, and I answered. I explained the way.
Yes, that is a small win.
It was a small win. I felt so good after that, for the whole day.
Exactly. But what happened the next day?
I forgot. I heard someone speaking very fast English on TV, and I thought, oh no, my English is so bad.
You forgot your small win.
I forgot my small win. Ugh.
This is the problem. We forget our wins very fast, but we remember our bad moments very long.
That is so true. So true. We hold the bad memories and let go of the good ones.
So here is the tool. Every day, find one small win. Maybe you understood a song in English. Maybe you read a sentence and it was easy. Maybe you said a new word.
Write it down?
Write it down. Exactly. Keep a small win notebook. Every day, one win. After 1 week, you have 7 wins. After 1 month, you have 30 wins.
30 wins? That sounds like a lot of progress.
Because it is a lot of progress. You just never counted before.
Wow. Tool 3. Find your small wins and write them down.
Every single day. And tool 4, this one always makes people stop and think.
Okay, I'm ready to stop and think.
Mohin, how many languages do you speak?
Bengali and English. A little Arabic, too.
Wait, stop. You speak Bengali.
Yes.
Bengali is not easy. It has its own alphabet, its own grammar, its own sounds.
Yes, that's true.
And you also speak English? Not perfectly, but you speak it. Right now, in this conversation.
Yes, right now. I am speaking English right now.
So you are a person who speaks 2 languages.
I never say that about myself. I always say, oh, my English is not very good, but I never say, I speak 2 languages.
This is the comparison trap. You compare your second language to someone's first language, but most people in the world only speak 1 language.
Oh, that's true. Many people only speak 1 language their whole life.
And you are out here on the internet, on YouTube, learning and speaking a second language. That is not small. That is big.
That is actually big. I never thought about it that way.
Say it, Mohin. Say, I speak 2 languages.
I speak 2 languages.
Louder.
I speak 2 languages.
That's right. Tool 4, you already speak 2 languages. Never forget that. That is something to be proud of.
Something to be proud of. Yes, I will remember that. Okay, let's go back. Let's remember everything.
Good idea. Tool 1.
Tool 1, look back, not sideways. Don't compare my English to other people. Compared to my past self.
Perfect. Tool 2.
Tool 2, mistakes are not my enemies. Mistakes are my teachers. They mean I am learning.
Excellent. Tool 3.
Tool 3, find your small wins. Every day, 1 small win. Write it down. Count your progress.
Beautiful. And tool 4?
Tool 4, you already speak 2 languages. Don't compare your second language to someone's first language. Be proud.
Mohin, that was perfect. You remembered everything.
A small win. That is a small win.
That is definitely a small win. Can I say something important for a moment?
Of course, please.
If you are watching this right now, if you made it to this part of the video, I want to say something directly to you. You are not bad at English. You are learning English. Those are two very different things. You found this video, you listened, you are still here. That is not nothing. That is everything.
If my mouth can move, yours can too. Every day I sit here a little nervous, a little unsure, and I try. That's all we ask. Just try. Try one more time.
We believe in you. We really do. Before we go, your homework.
Easy homework.
Go to the comments. Write one small win. Your English small win from today, this week, or this month.
For example, my small win is I understood a whole English sentence today. Or my small win is I finished this video in English.
That counts. That absolutely counts.
We read every comment.
Everyone. And please subscribe to Speak English Flow. Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye. Thank you for listening.
We will see you next time. Bye-bye.